folks, and welcome to week number 3. So, real quick here, we have a video on essay structure. I know it's 102, you've been through 101, you went through all your writing classes in high school. You say, oh yeah, I know how to structure an essay. Watch it. Do me a favor. Just for the sake of checking it out, thinking it through. I do try to present a little bit different of an idea here. Okay, so essay structure video. There is a sample version of Essay 1 if you want to take a look at it, get a sense of what I'm looking for with Essay 1. It's right there, and then a place to submit Essay 1. There is no rough and final draft of this. This is a one and done. The rest of the essays this semester we will do rough and final drafts of, but this is a one and done. So that goes right here. Okay, then finally. Come on down to week number 3, reading and annotation. So right here there are, just very quickly, 2 readings. There are hot links to them, an article by John C. Peters and James Hill, and then an article by Sharon Fowler and her co-authors. Okay, I want you to read both of those. And then write an annotation. So we've practiced writing annotations back in week 1. I want you to write an annotation of each one of these. This is going to get us ready to start Essay 2 next week, okay? So spend a little bit of time, read, write annotations of these, and get Essay 1 together, okay? If you've got any questions along the way, don't hesitate to let me know. I'm here to help.